Welcome to another ABS online video. Let's go and find out what we're going to learn today. It's already week 11. Are you ready for some more food? Well, I think I could say I'm always ready for some more food. Do you remember what food we are looking at? Fish. That's right. The most special, yummy kind of fish. It's fish fingers. There they are. Now, that beautiful purple fish, well, I don't think we eat that. That's just to look at and go, ah. Don't think that's so yummy. Not a long process. No. All the other food, it's had a long process. Many different steps. It's not a long process, but it is a long journey. Why? Well, let's think about where the fish usually live. Well, most of the fish come from the deep oceans of the cold Arctic waters. Where is that? You will have to believe me when I say that it is a long, long way. Get a map. Look where we are now. And look where the Arctic Ocean is. It's very big, but it's very far away from where we are now. And actually, it's very far away from where anyone lives. This week, there's something else that's really important. We will also look at preserving food. Oh, new word. New word. Which word is new? Can you see it? Preserving. Good word. Let's say it again. Preserving. Do you have any idea what it means? If you preserve something, you keep it fresh and good to eat for a long time. We all want to eat fresh, good food, and sometimes we have to preserve the food to make sure it is fresh and good to eat. Is that important with fish? Oh yes, 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 yes. It really is. And fish is one of the things that it's really important to use the correct preserving techniques. It's important. So important. It's important with all food because this is important here. Listen carefully to this. If food is not fresh, it will make you sick. Now, can you see in that picture? We've actually got some tomatoes there. I really would not like to eat those. What is that yellow thing? I think that used to be a cucumber. Oh dear, I certainly would not be eating that. It sounds like an important lesson, doesn't it? It is. It really is very important. So make sure you don't miss it. Okay? More food, but perhaps the most important lesson about food. That one special word. Preserve. Okay guys, I will see you very soon. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching our video today. Please don't forget, subscribe, and that will help us to make lots more videos for you. Thank you. Bye.